Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Chidamra, and if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe and hit the bell button beside it so that you do not miss any of my videos. This DIY is how to recycle and make this storage box which you can use for storing food, makeup, brushes, lipsticks, nail paints and stationery items. So let's get started. So things required to make this box are old antiquity bottle cover which you can take from a junk dealer, that is kabadi wala. So this is cardboard and has a metal cap on it, as you can see. Then you also need a fevicol or DDL. Well, I have this DDL. As I'm going to use this, I have just converted it into a bottle so that I do not spill it everywhere. And you need some pictures, any picture that you like. So I have this and some like cooking type. But as I am making a storage box for my makeup, so I am going to use this one. Then you need this 3D outliner. You can use any color which you like. Some paints and brushes. Bubble wrap or toothbrush, or you can use cardboard. So this is how the box looks like, which I am going to make something like this. So to begin with, I am gonna use this one, and what you have to do is just peel the blue part from above, so it's easy to stick anything on it. Remove all of it. I have done one on the bigger one. See? And now I'm going to measure and check how much of this I require. So this is extra. Cut the extra one. Now I'm going to stick this sheet. So I stick this. Moving on to the next step, I need to select what all colors I want to use. So I'm going to paint this now. Select a thicker brush. Some black, some maroon. You can take your own color. And start tapping. Take a small size brush and start painting it on the corners. So I have completely painted this now. After this, take your bubble wrap. So select the side which has bubble wrap. Okay. And apply some paint on it. Keep it here and press it. You can place randomly anywhere. It looks like a design. You can also use a piece of cardboard. Now peel the above layer of cardboard. I also have some golden. I can use golden, and to use golden you require a binder as well. So for this, press it. You can also use a toothbrush and apply paint here and spray it. But my toothbrush is hard, so I'm not using it. So it's almost ready. Let it dry, and then I'm gonna use a 3D outliner. Use this 3D outliner and make a design on it, as I have made here. Well, why I am making a design is not only to beautify but also to cover the part of the paper. I'm gonna make a pattern on the lid. I hope you liked my video. So please like and comment below. Share whatever you make with this technique on the Instagram page. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for further more videos.